Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Meta AI on Messenger. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I'd like for you to know that you cannot completely turn off Meta AI or disable it, but you can mute it. All right. To do it, just go ahead over to your Messenger app. Now tap on Meta right here. And here we have Meta AI. Now go to the top right, tap on the information icon. And once you're in here, just tap on mute. And tap on until I change it, or by hours. Okay, if you want to mute it like forever, just select until I change it, and once done, just tap on OK and you should be good to go. Also, if you have a chat with Meta AI right here onto your Messenger section, just tap and hold onto it. Okay, tap and hold and just tap on delete. All right, and in the future, just go ahead and avoid this search bar right here. Okay, and the Meta AI icon right here at the bottom right. And also do not tap on AI suggestions or ask Meta AI prompt to prevent it from resurfacing. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.